Mabdi bonsoir à tout fanatik mwen yo, koman nou ye? Jodi an nou retounen avèk un lot video pou le Petit goût Carribean Creole flavor. Jodi an se 31 juye, jou dimanche. Nou gen lot manje spesyal ki 100% naturel ke nou fè nan kulti la kay nou. Premièrement, nou gen du riz blanc ke nou fè ansam avèk sos poa noa, ansam avèk legume. E pi bon kote yo an, nou gen poisson an sos, ansam avèk poule fri an sos. Men yo, mes ami, e nou garanti ou ke na preme manje yo, men yo, mes ami. E ma profite di, merci en pile, nou apresye support nou en pile. Moun ki nou voyo, s'il vous plaît, subscribe sou chen nan, like page lan, komante sou page lan, e pi share page la. Pataje la vek lot moun. Merci en pile, passe yon bon dimanche. Hello to all my fans. How is everybody doing today? Today is Sunday, July 31st. Now, this is another video from Le Petit goût Caribbean Creole flavor. We have more food, fresh new food that we made from our culture that is 100% natural. We guarantee that you will love it. Nothing too big or too small. First off, we made white rice alongside with black bean sauce. And right next to them, we have some legumes that we also make that is called legume in Creole. And aside of that, we have some steamy fish with gravy that we made alongside with fried chicken gravy as well. Here they are, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel. Please share our page, like the page, and comment onto it as well. We got more content coming soon. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful Sunday.